Now at 5:30, we begin with the investigation into missing mother Jennifer Dulos.
It's clear that the prosecution is not happy with the defense spinning these theories in public about what happened to Jennifer Dulos.
A missing Connecticut mother of 5 and her estranged husband, the prime suspect in her disappearance. Good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining us. I'm Denise DeCenzo.
Hi, everybody. I'm Mark Zinni. This is obviously a very high-profile case, attracting attention from all around the world. But now a gag order is in place. So what does that really mean?
Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland spoke with an attorney and legal analyst today and is live now with what he learned. Matt?
Well, Denise, Mark, with this gag order going forward, we know that we won't be hearing anything official from police and prosecutors unless there's a new arrest or it's on the public record in court. But what about defense attorney Norm Pattis, who is known to speak quite freely?
It sounds like there's duct tape over the mouths of everybody involved in this proceeding at this point. That's not really the case. There's a lot of wiggle room, a lot of leeway in that order.
Aaron Keller is a licensed attorney here in Connecticut. He's also covering the case of Fotis Dulos and the disappearance of his estranged wife, Jennifer Farber Dulos, as a host and analyst on the Law and Crime Network based in New York City. We caught up with him today to break down the recent gag order.
The parties can state to the press what's on the public record. Who writes the public record? The police and the attorneys.
Since the beginning of the case, defense attorney Norm Pattis has floated a number of theories as to where Jennifer could be. Everything from a revenge suicide to even staging her death in order to disappear, like the book and movie Gone Girl, drawing the ire of Jennifer's friends and family. Pattis denies his client had anything to do with the disappearance and did so again outside court Thursday, following Dulos' recent rearrest for tampering with evidence.
I guess our message is when you decide what you think, come see us in court, but stop telling us what you believe, because those beliefs aren't worth the paper they're printed on.
Keller says the judge is balancing the First Amendment and freedom of speech while at the same time the right to due process and a fair trial, and that when those rights collide, it can get tough.
We don't want the trial conducted outside the courtroom. We want evidence. We want the state held to its burden of proof. And in a situation where the police may be leaking information, where the defense is spinning all these theories, it really gets in the way of the right to a fair trial. But remember, who is the one with the right? It's the defendant who has the right.
Now, Pattis said this will not impact him or his client going forward, adding, quote, "As to the gag order ruling, it appears simply to restate existing law. We remain committed to a vigorous and public defense of Mr. Dulos." Fotis Dulos is due back in court early next month. We're live with the mobile newsroom. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.